Ria Money Transfer Banking Service Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people assume sending money abroad is slow and expensive, but Ria Money Transfer offers fast, secure, and cost-effective options. Ria allows you to send money online or in person to over 160 countries. One standout feature is speed. Many transfers arrive within minutes, and you can track payments in real time. It supports bank deposits, cash pickups, and mobile wallets, giving recipients flexible access to funds. Most people get this wrong. They assume low-cost transfers compromise security. The surprising truth is Ria is licensed and regulated in multiple countries, with strong encryption and fraud prevention measures to protect transactions. Customers can also receive notifications and confirmations, ensuring peace of mind. Another advantage is affordability. Ria offers competitive exchange rates and transparent fees, which can save money compared to banks or other transfer services. Mobile apps and online portals make sending and tracking money easy, even for first-time users. However, there are considerations. Some countries may have transfer limits or require identification verification, which can slow the process. Cash pickup locations may vary in availability, so checking ahead is recommended. In conclusion, Ria Money Transfer is ideal for individuals needing fast, secure, and affordable international money transfers. Its combination of speed, transparency, and multiple payout options makes it a reliable choice for sending money worldwide. Subscribe for more honest banking and money transfer reviews before sending your next payment.